Welcome back to another QuickThyme video, and today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade gnocchi. So right now I'm going to peel 3 medium-sized russet potatoes. Now I'm going to place the potatoes in a pot full of water. I'm going to bring it up to a full boil, and I'm going to cook the potatoes until they're nice and tender. I'm going to go ahead and place the cooked potatoes into a medium-sized bowl, and now I'm going to grab a potato masher as if I'm making mashed potatoes and begin mashing them. I'm going to season them with some sea salt and some black pepper. I'm going to go ahead and grab a fork and mix everything together. Now I'm going to push the potatoes off to the side just a little bit, and I'm going to crack 1 egg. With that same fork, I'm going to go ahead and scramble the egg, and now I'm ready to combine the rest of the potatoes with the egg. Once everything is mixed really well, I'm going to take the potatoes out of the bowl, and now I'm going to place it on a flat surface. As usual, make sure your hands are clean because you're going to take your hands and you're going to flat out the potatoes, and now you're ready to add your flour. So again, I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to begin mixing and combining the flour with the potato mixture as if I'm making and kneading some bread dough. Now once I'm done, I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces, and whatever I'm not using, I can wrap it in some plastic and I can put it in the freezer. So I'm just going to sprinkle some more flour onto my board, and I'm going to take each piece and begin rolling it out as if I'm making a jelly roll. And once it gets a little bit too long, I'm going to take a knife and cut it in half and begin rolling it until I get the perfect size. I'm ready to grab a knife and begin cutting out my gnocchi sized pieces. So now I'm going to take each piece and I'm going to roll them on the bottom of the fork, and this is going to create the little ridges that you see on the gnocchis, and this is just to help the sauce cling to the gnocchis as you cook them. Now once they're done, you could just put them into a pot full of boiling water for a couple of minutes. They'll float to the surface once they're done. And you know what, there's so many different recipes to make gnocchi. I'll put the link to my video in the description box, but find a recipe and try making it for dinner. I guarantee you will love them. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Sharing is caring, and don't forget to subscribe and click on those notifications so you can get a lot more videos. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on QuickThyme.